In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notification settings in Google Drive. This guide will help you customize the way you receive updates about your shared files and folders, whether through email or directly in your web browser. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the home page of your Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and going to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you should see your main dashboard with all your files and folders neatly organized. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There's a small gear icon there, your settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where a few options are listed. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Clicking this will take you to another panel where all your Google Drive settings are centralized. On this new panel, look for the Notifications section. Clicking on Notifications will bring up several specific options regarding how you want to receive information about updates and changes to your files. This settings page is crucial because it allows you to tailor the notifications to better suit your needs and preferences. The first option you can click on is Get all updates about Google Drive items via email. If you check this option, your notifications will be sent straight to your email inbox. This is particularly useful if you prefer to receive updates while not actively working in Google Drive, or if you're managing Drive items for a large team or project. Just keep in mind that this can lead to a pretty full inbox, depending on how active your Drive is. The second option under Notifications is Get updates about Google Drive items in your browser. By selecting this, notifications will pop up directly in your browser as they happen. This method is quite effective if you spend a lot of time working in Google Drive and need real-time updates without the clutter of email alerts. This choice streamlines the way you interact with your documents and projects, ensuring you never miss a beat. And there you have it, the basics of managing your notification settings in Google Drive. It's really about finding that balance between staying informed and not being overwhelmed by notifications. Adjust these settings according to what suits your workflow best. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made navigating and customizing your Google Drive notifications a little easier to handle. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time.